What are we doing here? I'm gonna be personally flying to some DSD clients with the restorations done, ceramic restorations finished, to try them in person and finish the case together with the dentist. Basically back to my roots.
Yep. So, welcome to Dental Remedy.
Super nice.
Yeah.
Hello, hello.
And I think I'll first introduce my teammates.
Yes.
Cheng Yi.
We're like really proud that we are the first and only DSD clinic in Southeast Asia, and we're still making ourselves better every day.
Many times patients are more receptive than the dentist. The advantages for the patient are very clear. We talk about visualizing before committing, making the patient a co-author of their own smile, the connection between the plan and the outcome, delivering outcomes more similar to the plan. So all these stories are very obvious and very clear for the patient. So the patient doesn't understand what is DSD. They understand these stories. And if you tell these stories and you say that DSD is allowing us to perform better these stories, patients are like, I like it, of course, makes total sense. It's better for me. So directly from Madrid to Kuala Lumpur, our natural restoration.
Very nice finishing.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Esther told me it's going to look better when we put into patient's mouth.
Yeah.
All right. Do you think like most of the Asia, you see, they have like very short crown length to work with?
Short?
Yeah,
Here,
short.
you think?
Yeah, very short
I
crown
think
length.
they have, here you have usually more oval shapes,
Yeah. Yep.
usually.
Yep.
Yeah. It's not about telling the patient, but it's about allowing the patient to experience it. So the experience is as good as the dentistry. It's a characteristic of every DSD clinic. You need to deliver an experience that patients feel comfortable, they feel welcome, they feel cozy, they can sense the technology, they can sense the care. So I think these are all things that are pretty obvious, but many dental practices don't have it. So doing the obvious it's a very smart thing to do. It's not about persuasion, it's not about selling dentistry, it's about convincing the patient to take better care of themselves, making dentistry a higher priority in people's lives. I was always like that since young kid. Challenging the status quo is something natural for me. So when I started to work as a technician, as a dentist, I started to challenge this relationship and the systems that we were using. It was actually not very difficult to find obvious, better ways to do many of the things that we were doing. Because as humans, we can easily get stuck in our comfort zone and repeat things over and over again.
Hay lắm.因為係其實唔可以咁樣掂到牙，日日掂到牙，係好傷下，因為好酸啊。
整白色嗰兩隻整起黃。
She would like to remove the laterals to match the center.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Okay. It's black now. It's black. Let's see. You like it? Smile? Wow, so nice. Yeah, it's super nice. Maybe she can come close. Yeah,
The window. Most of the time we don't stop to think. So I always suggest people to once in a while to stop and step back and analyze the big picture and then question yourself, and this exercise will allow you to find better ways to do the things that you've been doing. and then have the energy to be proactive and start implementing, changing, and people will start realizing that you are disruptive, that you are ahead of your time, but most of the times you're not. You're just doing the obvious slightly better.